Ever pondered on the mystery of how to distinguish between a mere pebble and a precious gem in the rough? Well, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a fascinating journey through the world of geology, where we'll unravel the secrets of identifying rough rocks and gems. First up, we focus on observation. This is a key step in rock and gem identification. Pay attention to the color, texture, and pattern of your specimen. A ruby, for instance, is red, while an emerald boasts a vibrant green hue. Secondly, take a good look at the luster. This refers to how light is reflected from the surface of the rock or gem. Some may sparkle like a diamond, while others, like quartz, have a glassy luster. Next up, consider the hardness. This is determined by the Mohs scale, which ranges from 1 for very soft minerals like talc to 10 for the hardest known mineral, diamond. A simple way to test this is by trying to scratch your specimen with a common object like a coin or a steel nail. Fourthly, we have streak testing. This involves rubbing the specimen across an unglazed porcelain plate and observing the color of the streak it leaves behind. This can be particularly helpful in distinguishing between similar-looking minerals. Lastly, but certainly not least, is the specific gravity test. This measures the density of your specimen. It's a bit more complex, involving a balance scale and some calculations, but it can be quite revealing. To sum it all up, identifying rough rocks and gems is a process that requires careful observation and a bit of testing. We've covered the 5 key steps: observing the color, texture, and pattern, determining the luster, testing the hardness, performing a streak test, and measuring the specific gravity. Remember, every rock and gem has its own unique story to tell. It's up to us to learn how to listen and understand what they're trying to tell us. So the next time you pick up a rough rock or gem, don't just see it as a pretty piece of nature. See it as a mystery waiting to be unraveled, a story waiting to be told. Happy hunting.